Hello my friend. Today is gonna be funny because it's the first time that I do this video in English, and this video is dedicated to all those people that came to the island to help us after the Hurricane Maria, and they fell in love with the Puerto Rican rice and beans recipe. For them, this video and the ingredients are in a pot on high heat. You're gonna mix the rice and the oil, and then add the water and the salt and mix all the ingredients together. Leave boiling until dry. When the rice is dry, cover and lower to medium heat. Then uncover, move the rice, and cover again about 15 more minutes. Beans. The ingredients are in a pot on medium heat. Add the ham and let it sweat, and then add the sofrito and the smashed garlic. Then add the potato. Add the tomato sauce and mix together. All the ingredients together, mix and mix and mix. Okay, you can smell it. Add the sazon with a shot for the color. Add the culantro leaf. That's gonna give us a lot of flavor, Creole flavor. Look the color of these habichuelas guisadas. At this point, you wanna include the can of bean and 1 can of water. You can use the same can to fill with water. At this point, you're gonna add chicken broth powder and mix all the ingredients together. Leave boiling on medium heat about 15 minutes or until the potatoes are cooked.